Do you want to know how you can log into your OFA mutual fund account? If yes, then this video is for you. Hello and welcome to Tech Basics. It's your host back again with yet another interesting tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to teach you how you can log into your OFA mutual fund account. Go ahead and open Edge or Chrome browser on your PC. Go to the Google search bar to search for OFA mutual fund login. Click on the first link which appears on your screen. It will take you to the official page of OFA Mutual Fund account. What you need to do to log into your account is write down your username, your password, and then click login. Make sure you can check your password after you write it down, and then click login, and you can successfully log into your OFA Mutual Fund account. In case you have forgotten your password and want to reset it, click on this link. Write down your username or your email address, click reset password. A mail will be sent to you by OFA, and then you can recover your password quite easily. I hope this video about how you can log into your OFA mutual fund account was helpful for you. If you still have any kind of confusion, please do mention us on the comment section down below. Like the video, subscribe to the channel, and do hit the bell button for more. Hope to see you in the next video as well. Until then, goodbye, take care, and make sure you enjoy.